Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious veg biscuits at home. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including colorful vegetables like finely diced carrots, spinach, and bell peppers. You'll also need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget your 1/2 cup of cold butter and about 3/4 of a cup of cold milk to bring it all together. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. First, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Next, cut in the very cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Then, carefully fold in all those vibrant, finely chopped vegetables. Finally, add the cold milk a little at a time, mixing just until a soft, shaggy dough forms. Avoid overworking the dough for tender biscuits. Once your dough is ready, it's time to shape and bake. Lightly flour your work surface and gently roll out the dough to about 1 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter, or simply cut the dough into squares with a knife. Carefully transfer your shaped biscuits to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Bake them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown. And there, you have it, warm, flavorful homemade veg biscuits. These are best enjoyed fresh out of the oven, perhaps with a dollop of your favorite savory dip or a light cream cheese spread. They make a wonderful snack or a delightful side to any meal. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. A quick reheat in the oven will bring back their delicious crispness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.